Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that come from the suspicious website. Boot up sophisticated completely the product.vip. This is a long name of the website indeed, and it is even longer than I have mentioned. There is a great continuation after the slash, and the website claims that people need to download and install some extension for the Google Chrome browser, some update for the Google Chrome. But the real purpose of all these pop-ups is to force people into wasting their money for nothing. Sometimes these pop-ups would tell people to download and install some potentially unwanted software, or they may be told to install some unwanted browser extensions that may hijack their browser settings. For instance, such third-party extensions may change the default homepage or the default search engine and perform some other illegal actions in the system. So please be careful. One thing you should realize is that these pop-ups by boot up sophisticated completely the product.vip are fake Chrome update alerts. They are not decent, so don't install anything that they promote. These pop-ups may be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel and then uninstall any programs that you might find suspicious. If you also installed any third-party extensions through these fake Chrome update alerts, do the following. Access the menu, More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. We also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You need to go to this page to download Combo Cleaner through this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install it and start researching your system with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.